Welcome back to another lab video in C#. So this is a request. So a person requested a solution for an array, doing a search via one of the array functions and then outputting the confirmation of result and the positional index value of the search, and then an error message if it's an invalid search. So it took me a couple of minutes to work out what I wanted, but it's not too bad. So if we do, let's call this index search. Call it what you like. And what it's going to do is come up, and let's get this onto full screen. Okay, so I've been having troubles with that recently, so we'll just get rid of all of this and start from scratch, shall we? Alright, so first thing is we need to set up our little array, which is, in this case, is going to be a string. No, I want square brackets, and we're going to have, in this case, cars, and we're going to pre-populate with a few vehicles of dodginess. So not any personal preference. This has just been used previously in the examples, so basically going to continue. Quotes and we'll finish with BMW. Now you could do this of any size. Alright, so console right line, and we're going to please enter a car to search for. And actually we'll probably make that just a right rather than a right line. That way it's on the same line. And then we're going to come back, input car, console read line, so that's collecting the search, and we're going to create a integer called index, which is going to be array index of, and we're just going to search cars and see if we can find iCar. Now that'll give us a index value if the vehicle exists. So got an if statement. If index is greater than 0, then we want it to do string found, which is going to be a array find. And while we're going to search, we're going to search cars. And the element is equal greater than the element that contains iCar. Yep. Now, okay, so if that's found, we want to write out to the console, right line. No, don't want them yet. We want those ones yet. So car found in array. And we really need that in quotes because it's a text that we want to spit out. So car found in array. Actually, why don't we do position 0 found in array position index of 1. And so we found that string and it was in location index. All right. Now, if, so the alternative to if would be a else statement, and this one again is a right line, and this one is your choice of was not found or is invalid. Why didn't it find if you because it's not that, it's iCar is what they typed in. Helps if I get the right variable name, doesn't it? Alright, so let's see. So input search item. What are we doing there? Get index value from array. So if valid index display search result don't know what I did there, but hit something wrong. If not valid, display error message. Alright, so this is array of known cars. Alright, so there's our comments in, so we know what's what. And let's see if it works, shall we? Alright, enter the car. So BMW was the last one we entered. BMW found in array, position index of 4. Alright, so let's run it again. And let's put in Porsche. Your choice of Porsche was not found or is invalid. There we have it. So this gives us a search if it's valid and an error message if it's invalid. So I hope that answers a possible solution to searching of the array. This was a question that came up in class, so I thought I'd produce a solution as one of the videos. So hope you've enjoyed it. Do the usual subscribe, like and share if you've enjoyed the video, and until next time, I bid you a good day.